H Mart in New Malden, Koreatown. From this bag, we'll start from this bag. Sabi natin ito. From this bag, these are the snacks na mga nabili ko sa H Mart. Start natin dito. Turtle chips na chocolate flavor. Ito. Isa. Tapos, another chips again, turtle chips. But it is sweet corn flavor now. The next one, I don't know how to read this one, but it says na sweet and spicy flavor. It's like corn flavor, I think, as well. But it's a cone style. So let's try this one as well next time. And then we purchased as well this hot pot mix flavor na soup base for hot pot. The next one, this snacks as well, which is the choco mushroom for Maggie. Para siyang yan. I think so. But try natin again next time. And then we buy this Japanese mayo. And then we also bought some mild samjang. And then we have this firm tofu, which we're planning to cook pork and tofu sisig. So later, I will do a vlog for cooking of tofu and pork sisig. Then we also purchased this buldak sauce, the black one. But these drinks, we'll start with drinks naman. We buy this, what flavor is this? White grape drink. Yung uso sa Korea ngayon, yung lalagay mo ng ice, tas ilalagay mo lang to sa baso. So, try natin tong white grape. Meron din kaming binili na blueberry flavored naman. We've tried the peach iced tea. Masarap siya. Kaya ito naman yung tatry namin ngayon. Tapos, we've also bought this hazel flavor na coffee drink, iced coffee drink. At saka isang Americano coffee drink din. And then we're done with this bag. Let's go. For the second bag, we all have this seaweed snacks. Seaweed wrapper snacks. 9 pieces to. We purchased the 9 pieces. And then, we also have some buldak, the carbonara flavor. Kasi I couldn't eat too much spicy, so we will have this one. I'll have this one. And then we also purchased this Jin Ramyun, the mild one. Isang pack na rin, so we could save money. And we also buy this one, Sushi Nori. I'm going to make a kimbap roll next time. And last one, we buy this Chilsung drink to try. And that's it for the haul that we all purchased in H Mart in New Malden, Koreatown here in the UK. It's just outside London, probably 30 minutes by train. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy my haul. See you next time. Next time, I'm going to do a video of trying all the Korean snacks and drinks that we purchased in H Mart. Okay, guys. See ya. Bye. See